Hi, I'm Michael Powers, founding partner from Stellar Solar, and I'd like to talk today about steps that you can take pretty immediately to recession-proof your house. What do I mean by that? Well, to lower your costs and get more money in your pocket immediately just by controlling your energy footprint and making that smaller. This is a great time to be looking at that kind of a home improvement because we're all spending more time in our home these days. And as you look around, how many devices now run on electricity that you didn't have maybe 5 or 10 years ago, and how's that adding to your energy footprint? Some of these are really simple, but it's worth looking at the list again. There's energy efficiency appliances. If your refrigerator is older or you have a freezer out in the garage that's probably 10 years or more older, that's using a lot more electricity than what you could do if it's available today. Also, I take a look at the more energy efficient lighting, whether it's compact fluorescent. A lot of the compact fluorescent bulbs have great tone color now, so you can control that. Even the fluorescent lightings have better color quality. So energy efficient lighting, especially when you're indoors a lot and running all the time, those things that are constantly running, makes a big difference. You can also take a look at more energy efficient Energy Star windows, doors, skylights to get more light into the house. These are great times to take a look at that, and there are rebates available for all of those Energy Star windows and appliances. We lose a lot of heat and air conditioning through those windows. And it's also a great time to look at attic insulation. It's not just about winter, it's also about summertime with hot temperatures coming in. Controlling that envelope and making it more energy efficient is really important. Solar hot water is another good suggestion to trade in that water heater for a solar hot water heater. Let the sun do all the work for you. And speaking of solar, you know, we are in the solar panel business, solar energy business. That is actually the best way to recession-proof your house because it's a bill you're going to pay every single month. And not only do you lower your energy footprint, but it turns out that you can save a lot of money making your electricity from the solar panels. It really only costs about 8 cents a kilowatt hour. Buying your electricity from SDG&E costs anywhere from 28 to 56 cents a kilowatt hour on the average. Let's just say 30 cents. You could save 75% of your electricity costs just by going solar immediately. There are great tax credits available for solar hot water as well as the solar panels. And it's also a good time to take a look at the Tesla Powerwall battery, which we have in stock, and we can get those installed for you very quickly also to have emergency backup power in addition to cutting costs during the most expensive parts of the day. In general then, the best way to recession-proof your home is to reduce that energy footprint. Take a look at the things that we've listed, as well as visiting our website and getting a virtual quote on how to put solar to work for you immediately to help save money, put more money in your pocket at stellarsolar.net. That's stellarsolar.net.